Hi, it's Noah here from Thrive, and welcome to your project. This is the form you'll use to upload a zip file of your current assets. Now, these are just what you have right now as far as your marketing materials, your logo, your headshots, and any written content maybe you have throughout your company that could be used on the website. It's just a baseline for us to understand what we're working with, and what you can do is just download this file. I'm actually going to run through it. I'm going to download the file. It's just an empty folder of structure for you to provide your information. I'm going to extract that folder, and then let's take a look at what's in here. So there's, again, the logo, any marketing materials, your photos, so such headshots, etc., and your written content. And I've done these in subcategories. So for example, in photos, you can have your team headshots, any products you have, and then anything else. And it's just as simple as go to your existing wherever you store your items. So for example, maybe I'll grab a couple of these headshots here, and I'm going to stick them into the headshots folder. And then for the logo, I would just obviously go into my logo, and I would just grab all these logo files and stick them into the logo folder. And then the last thing to do, once you have all of those assets ready, just go to that file and go ahead and zip it up. So I'm going to zip it up really quickly here, which I'm sure all y'all know how to do. And then I would just upload it. So what I would do then is just type in my company name, Thrive, and say project files, and I would browse for that file and upload it. And then my team will receive that information, and we'll be able to see what we're working with. So thanks for using this form. It makes our lives a lot easier. Now, if you'd like to also just use that same folder structure and save it in Google Drive, you can share that with hello@thrive.design. We do prefer things in Google Drive, but for those of you that don't use Google Drive, then you can use this format. Thanks so much.